Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our ninth lesson, Environmental Management. First point of this lesson, it is the weather and climate. Two words are very well known. Definition of it: atmospheric conditions at a specific time at a particular place are referred to as weather. It is the atmospheric condition, but it is at that specific time and particular place. Suppose in Nanded weather may be different. थोड़ा सा 100-200 किलोमीटर अगर आगे जाएंगे तो weather may be different one. Atmospheric conditions depend upon a variety of factors. Different factors are responsible for this condition, and these factors are nothing but the content. We frequently express our opinion about the weather by making statements like today it is too cold or it is very hot today. So this type of concept or this type of expression we just give about the weather. Which are the weather related factors? Atmospheric pressure, sunlight, clouds, humidity, rainfall, visibility and temperature. These are the weather related or climatic related factors. They are interrelated with each other. Weather depends upon the prevailing conditions of the air. The climate of a particular region is the average of daily readings of various weather related parameters recorded for several years. Daily there is a recording is occur. क्या रिकॉर्ड करते हैं? What is the air pressure, how much humidity is there, temperature record is there, atmospheric pressure, all these different things they are recorded, and this record for several years. According to that we can decide the particular climatic condition of that particular region. Hence climate is a long term predominant condition of the atmosphere. Weather can be changed, but atmospheric condition for long term it is called as the climate. जैसे नॉर्थ रीजन का क्लाइमेट अलग है, साउथ एरिया का क्लाइमेट अलग है, ईस्ट वेस्ट साउथ नॉर्थ मेनली हम ये 4 डायरेक्शंस बोलते हैं. सो इन दिस there is a different climatic conditions are there. Polar region, in that different climatic conditions are there. Okay, so in short, if we want to bifurcate these two concepts, then whether it is a short term concept, it can be changed. Many things upon that whether the condition of weather it depend, but climate it is a long term condition of the atmosphere. Difference in between may ask on this point, that is the weather and climate. Next point, it is changes in weather. Climate does not change continuously. Thus we see that weather is related to a specific location and specific time, whereas climate is related to a longer duration and larger area. Morning weather is different one. Afternoon if temperature is increased, maybe weather it get change. थोड़ी सी धूप होती है आफ्टर 10 o'clock 11 o'clock. As time passes weather get change. So in this way there is a change into the weather. Climate plays a very important role in our day-to-day life. It influences our basic needs like food, clothing and shelter, as well as our occupations. Climate is especially important for an agrarian country like India, because on these climatic conditions different crops are depend. Various climatic factors like direction and speed of wind, temperature, atmospheric pressure, etc. are considered during construction of runways, seaports, huge bridges and skyscrapers, etc. बिकॉज क्लाइमेट ये झट से चेंज नहीं होता है, इट इमीडिएटली इट नॉट चेंज. Here in blue color box, just you read out that box. importance of weather in the living world. As we know that land, water bodies, plants and animals collectively they form the natural environment on earth, and this environment is responsible for the development of organisms. The climate of a particular region helps to determine the diet, clothing, housing, occupations and lifestyle of the people of that region. For example, the characteristics lifestyle of Kashmiri and Rajasthani people, because in Kashmiri area, in Kashmir region, there is a different climatic condition. The people's lifestyle, clothing, their diet, whatever the housing structure, it is different as per their climatic situation. In Rajasthani people also, in Rajasthan area also, climatic situation is exactly opposite to the Kashmir. Therefore, whatever the diet things, clothing, housing, again these things are different into this Rajasthan. So, and water, that is the water content salt. Okay, so salinity of marine water, formation of oceanic currents, water cycle, etc. all are related to various weather and climatic factors, because these all are the natural process, and this natural process it is depend upon these factors, climatic and weather factors. So this box it is for your self reading, just read out it once. While ascertaining the climate of a particular region, a review of earlier studies of various aspects of climate is very important one. Most countries in the world have established meteorology departments for making and recording such observations. If we want to know the proper climatic condition of that region, we have to consider the different aspects, different things which are related to the climate. What is the work of this department? They make records. They observe and record that observation. These departments has observatories which are equipped with the modern instruments and टेक्नोलॉजी. जैसे एयर प्रेशर कितना है, आज का टेम्परेचर, ह्यूमिडिटी कितनी है, आफ्टर दैट इन एयर विच कंटेंट्स आर देयर, विंड का जो स्पीड है वो क्या है, विंड का डायरेक्शन. सो दीज टाइप्स ऑफ मेनी थिंग्स आर देयर विच आर रिलेटेड विद द climatic factors, weather factors, past condition of the climate and present condition of the climate. When we both study these situations, we can predict the future condition of the climate. But this is not 100% accurate, because atmospheric factors they may change, and forecasting it is also a difficult and complicated job. So certain errors may also come, certain difference may also come. Forecasting is easy for places where climatic changes are slow and of a limited nature. However, where climatic changes are complex, interdependent and rapid, making forecast is very difficult, because these things are continuously changes. Next part, it is the meteorology, the science that studies the interrelationship between the various components of air, natural cycles, geological movements of the earth and climate. It is called as the meteorology. Logy, that means study. Meteor, that means these all things, geological things. Meteorology includes the study of storms, clouds, rainfall, thunder, lightning, etc. Depending upon the study of such factors, weather forecasts are made. Storm, cloud formation, rainfall की situation क्या है, कितना rainfall हो सकता है, thunder situation is there or not, lightning will occur or not. This type of study is done in the meteorology. अब ये useful किसके लिए है? This is useful for the common peoples, farmers, fisheries, aviation services, water transport and various other organizations. Indian Meteorological Department, IMD. The Indian Meteorological Department was founded by the British in 1817 in Shimla. Name itself indicate. meteorological department. That department, it is related with the climatic study, different factors related with the climate. Its head office is at Pune and its regional offices are at Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Nagpur and Delhi. So maps are prepared every day which indicate the daily predictions about the weather. Such maps are prepared and published twice in every 24 hours. यानी 12 hours के बाद में newly preparation of that map is there. In this institute, research goes on continuously on various aspects like instruments for climatic readings, predictions about the climate made using radar, predictions about climate related to the seismology, predictions regarding to the rainfall by satellites, air pollution. With this study, in that various aspects are there and these aspects are interrelated with each other. IMD ये डिपार्टमेंट का सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट वर्कआउट क्या होता है, ये क्या करते हैं, वॉट एवर द इंफॉर्मेशन दे कलेक्ट, एनालाइज दैट, ये इंफॉर्मेशन it is related to the weather and climatic condition, or whatever the information is there they passes to the different departments. कौन से departments? Aviation, air force, that is the aeroplane, aircrafts are there. Yes, shipping, that is the transportation, agriculture, irrigation department, marine oil exploration and production. अब ये predictions कौन से होते हैं? They are regarding to the calamities like dust storms, sand storms, heavy rainfall, hot and cold waves, tsunami, etc. For this purpose, India has launched several satellites equipped with the high-class technology. Observatories at several locations are doing excellent work in the analysis of the information received from these satellites. Next, it is the monsoon model and climate prediction. The tradition of forecasting the monsoon season in India is older than 100 years. After the famine in 1877, H.F. Blandford, the founder of IMD, had made such a prediction for first time, taking the snowfall in Himalayas as a parameter for this prediction. First time they take that snowfall as a parameter and they made certain prediction. After the H.F. Blandford, Sir Gilbert Walker, इन्होंने क्या किया कि this comparatively they study worldwide climatic factors and Indian monsoon. In that, which things are same, which are different one, with whatever the observations at that time, whatever the recordings was at that time, they study overall all these things and finally a hypothesis, a information they present. With the initiative of Dr. Vasantrao Govarikar in decade of 1990s, a monsoon model based upon 16 worldwide climatic parameters was developed, and this model was used from 1990 to 2002. With the help of these models, we can predict the monsoon situation. जैसे मैथमेटिक्स में होता है ना, डिफरेंट फॉर्मूलाज आर देयर, ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट फॉर्मूलाज हम क्या करते हैं, वॉट एवर द नंबर्स आर देयर, कैलकुलेशंस आर देयर, एंड फाइनल में क्या फॉर्म होता है, वॉट एवर द आंसर, कंक्लूजन ऑफ दैट एनालिसिस. इन दिस वे, in the meteorology there is also certain parameters are considered. उसका कुछ calculation, past information, present information, comparatively study of these, all these things, and after that finally there is a certain prediction, certain conclusion. Mathematical model, which is also called as the dynamic. Forecasts are made with the help of mathematical models which take into account estimates of current weather related events and ongoing physical interactions between them. Analyzed with the help of Param supercomputer. Second one, holistic model. In this model, predictions are based upon those parameters used in other models which have the greatest effect on the monsoon. इसमें जो प्रेडिक्शन जो फाइनलाइज किया जाता है, जो कंक्लूजन फाइंड आउट होता है, उसका बेस क्या है? अदर पैरामीटर्स विच आर यूज्ड इन द अदर मॉडल्स, जिसका इफेक्ट मॉनसून पे हुआ है. Nowadays, predictions declared by IMD are the collective outcome of various models. This is called as the holistic model. Third one, statistical model, statistics. In this model, current climatic observation in a region are compared with the earlier parameters such as oceanic temperature, atmospheric pressure, and in the nature of monsoon rainfall of several years. Presently, these models are used up to the 2002. Presently, new models are being developed at the IITM. IITM, that is nothing but the Indian Institute Technology. So there is a development of new models, and work is in progress at two levels, namely designing new models and developing new technology. The main focus is on the development of the radar system and satellite technology. They are very helpful. इसमें एरर्स क्या होते हैं? कम आते हैं, और कैलकुलेशन, कंक्लूजन, एनालिसिस ये सबसे ज़्यादा फास्ट होता है. इट इज़ वेरी यूजफुल वन. सो देयरफॉर दिस टेक्नोलॉजी दे आर डेवलप्ड अंडर द IITM. So this is all about the meteorology concept of that. Next point, solid waste management, we will continue in next lecture. Thank you.